Trevor has graciously volunteered to assist in this. So what we're going to do first is log roll the patient on their side. If this patient has an unstable fracture, then obviously we're going to use a team approach. But we're going to log roll Trevor now onto his side. The first thing we're going to do is apply the posterior section. We identify his waist, and we can see where the waist is on the custom brace. Typically, in a custom brace, the middle strap will be at the waist. So what we're going to do is slide this on behind him, but we want to apply the brace a little bit lower than his actual waist, because it's easier to pull the brace up to the right position than it is to pull it down to the right position. So let's go ahead and slide this in place, and then we're going to roll him back onto supine position. So we've applied the posterior section, and the patient is now supine into it. So we want to verify that the brace is centered under him. We're going to identify his waist and verify that the waist of the brace is also correct. The next step is to apply the anterior section. Now you'll notice that there are 6 straps, 3 on each side. What we want to do when applying the brace, and this is especially important in a patient with a pendulous abdomen, is to bring the anterior section down to capture soft tissue, and then the brace will have something to hold on to prevent it from riding up, because all these braces do want to ride up. So I'm going to go ahead now and fasten all 6 straps loosely. So the brace, the anterior section has been applied, and now we're going to go back and tighten the straps. All 6 straps have been applied. We always tighten the straps from the bottom up. You know that old expression, bottoms up? Well, this is it. The bottom strap is always going to be the tightest. Make that comfortably snug. The middle straps are next. I like tightening both straps at the same time. The middle strap is just a little bit looser. The top strap is last. The top strap is the loosest of the bunch. This brace fits Trevor really well. I do want to say a quick word about fitting a custom TLSO to a female. In that case, breast relief would be formed in the brace itself. And you're going to notice that the breast relief are down here and the breasts are up here. Please avoid the temptation to fit the anterior section to the breast. You always want to index the brace at the waist, for male or female. When the patient is upright and sitting, walking around, then everything will more or less fall into place.